Let us hear what Eke said, and I'm coming. God bless everybody, please. To San Museum.
Wonderful. Ngana hana azuka ahia. Obudu na azu ahia. Ahia na Ghana na azu na agụ ọfụma. Mwa bụ Eke yiti ya bụrụ ọgwụ ahia na wonderful days. Mana ya gba mbọ tetara ma aja your neighbors. Ngana hana azuka ahia. No bụ ndị ọzọ ka na control nke ga na azụ. Ọgwụ abụrụ majicha, ọgwụ abụrụ magic, ọgwụ abụrụ afrakataba. No e were ihe ọgwụ bụ something like practical ya bụ were ha were nke tie ọrụ ọrụ.
Kedu ife iji aja neighbors eme? You control their own.
Yes now.
Ihe jide nkeba.
Na mmadụ gboro go okite gboro ga wa were. Ndị na for example na
bụ mmadụ ka nata wenye yi.
Ndị nọ n'ebe a na-azụ akpata for example, ndị nọ n'ebe a na-azụ akpata. For example na as example. Ihe ara na anyị ịnọ anọ m onye nke a onye nke a. Ọ bụrụ na onye nke a na ahịa na-ekwuri ya. Onye ahịa na-ekwu onye nke a na-azụ ahịa mana nke nwa na-azụ ahịa. The only agwa were ya eme ka ị na-enweta ụkwụ na chọpụ gị ebe na ị ga-ataget chọpụ ndị asị. Chitasị aja ụkwụ na chọpụ ha. Aja ụkwụ a ka eji agwọ ọgwụ kontrol ụkwụ a na-aga na nke ndị aka na-aga na nke.
So ụkwụ afọ agara ebe na chọpụ ndị a.
Yes. Abịazi na nke. Ana m anya ma. Asị gị na ka ọrụ Eke. Ọ bụrụ mmadụ niile ma anya ọgwụ a m gwara gị ntụ akịta.
What of na line a mmadụ 5 na-ebe a bịasịa na nke gị onye achịrị nke m chịtalụ gị mụ achịrị nke onye achịtalụ gị kezie nke onye ga-agabazi agaba
bifo mgbe ọgwụ a mma agba afọ ọ bụrụ na m ejide gị ọrụ ebe a mma arụsị ọ bụrụ na mgba afọ bụ na ọgwụ mmadụ ego ọrụ na line ahụ mma arụsị ọrụ ahụ mgba uche onye ọzọ
ekele ọrụ Eke
maka na agwọ na-abụ a na-ezokọ isi ngwa ọgwụ anya bụ gwa ọgwụ anya onye a ịma na ibi unu na-abụ uke maka ọgwụ nke a na ọgwụ nke a ga na-abịa ndụ ịma na ọgwụ na-agba mgba anyị mgbe azụ ha nwere ike na-agba mgbe ọ nwere ike ọ na-awụ nwa ma ọ na onye nke a nwa so therefore the best thing to do bụ mmadụ bịa ọ bụrụ ofu line ahụ gbapụrụ ọgwụ mpụ ebekwara ọzọ don't do it to avoid problem ọ dịrọ mma na ya chukwu ihe ahụ ego ahụ mana ihe eriri chi ụtọ dịkpenye ya
mana ndị afọ ịkọntrolu kwanụ ndị na-eji na nkefa fenejisi na nke onye ọzọ ọ dị mma n'anya chukwukwanụ
ọ dị mma n'anya chukwu
okay so wetara ya come
ndị afọ kọntrolu harapụ nke ha ọbụkwa na ndị ama ndị asụkwa ahịa
These are the technical destinies.
ọbụkwa na ndị ama ndị asụkwa afịa ha ga na-asụkwa afịa it's not like before. I will control the legs.
Okay.
I can ask you.
Okay.
Man, all man, this is. In go one man this side. That's no. Or born for you know. I got you. Men born on my dite. Mumu boy for I control the motor of Umbu Madite. Umbu with the guitar. Umu boy for I control Rumia. Bakano. Ụfọdụ ka ya zụtara gị na be ọ na-abịa na ọgwụ dị ihe mụtara n'aka nna ka ọ bụ ihe mụtara n'aka nna m dị nwụrụ the 114 years wee nwụ.
To all my brothers in America, Europe, Asia, Africa.
Okay. Eke hits. I've been arrested like Akwa Okuko. Resting very well. You may see me when I'm dancing or when I'm saying some certain things. You may think I'm heartless. I'm not heartless. I'm only thanking God to bringing this prophecy to pass. Resting very well. This has been happening for many years. So why do you run out of Anambra State? Why did Ebukobi run out of this thing? Why would I run out of Anambra State? Do I live in Anambra State? Anambra is where I'm from. I just went there to do program. So I live in Lagos State. I only go to Anambra to do program, and I went there to make sure that Igbo is sanitized. I finished my program. I came to serve people that came from America. So in case you want to know, I've not built my ministry in Anambra State. Or do you want to get land from me? I'm doing my real estate to raise money so I can buy land and build my mountain. Most of things I do it here. So you understand? Say, what? How are you hiding? Do I look like for you to say I'm hiding? That means you don't know me. Somebody that walked the whole market last year, this year again, I walked the whole street with music. You say I'm hiding. You're already there making mouths. People say if I call last year, we do this. What did you do? This is what brought you people to book. You have nothing to do. More you try me, more if I come, more I come for you people, more you have problem. Do I tell you I'm hiding? My number is there, +2349032226076. Say your person will find me out and don't you know where my listing is in each other? I better come and go hide, come and sit down one place. Somebody where they work out, they see me everywhere. They all look like a Akwa Okuko that carry escort up and down. You think Senna today? It is Senna today. In Atokojo. So I can't wear mama poor afro. You think I look you like pastor? 1 million of face and one like you can't try anything. When mama poor afro physical. Do I look you like this thing? I look you like pastor where they wear suits. Try am. And the worker go stop me for road. When mama poor for life. It is a pastor and a prophet. It is a prophet and a pastor. Do I look like a pastor to you? On our everywhere. In a mess of wine. Jida everywhere destroy each other. Look at how useless you are. You're doing prayer for your governor to die. God bless you. I'm married to God. Prophet know the marry. Show me Elijah wife. Show me Jesus Christ's wife. So if I want to marry 50 wives, I'll marry. If I decided not to marry, I will not marry. So what is that? Marriage is part of the ministry. Okay? There's a time to be alone. I'm not a woman lapper. I am a prophet. This is the last word I'm going to reply to you. You came with instruction. Listen, that's why he's making incantation for my governor today. Why? Because things have been happening.
Reverend Father.
So my governor decided to find solution. Well, see, just for some, this thing could have lasted maybe 2, 3, 4 months. When they find out it's not the native doctor that is the problem, then they will stop it. But when they now put the law, they find out, no, the native doctor. Now, what I'm doing, all the kidnappers, all. That's why governor is putting more effort. They say truth is bitter. We have to speak the truth. This is prophecy coming to pass. I am the only prophet that saw this thing, 2020. Before me and Akwa Okuko fight 2022. I mean, first, I don't preach okay before I know Akwa. I don't even know who they are. But they show me in a dream when they are using human parts, when they're small children, men a lot of people running mad. That is why when Akwa Okuko boldly came out, thinking that he have acquired all the power, though he has some power then, he say he have 200 and something thousand demons. That if any pastor talk, he's going to send him arrow, and the pastor will die within 4 days. Are you not in Nigeria? Then I told him, I take the challenge, and I gave him 7 days, nothing happens. Onye say Jesus send me first attack. I know they talk and say this thing. He was there. I'm telling you what happened in the past. He sent me a vulture. I destroyed the vulture. That is why after that period, only Jesus begin to have problem with Akwa. Only Jesus' power could not operate again because I've destroyed it. Only Jesus now start looking for another power to protect himself. Only Jesus is lucky. Like I told him, he should stop all those things he's doing. He have taken my advice. That's why I went to his house to pray for him. Tell him. But I didn't meet him. I prayed for his brother, wife that is sick, and he was healed. Akwa Okuko have opportunity to stop Okite. When they kidnap Akwa Okuko, almost how many people died? Akwa Okuko go to church and do Thanksgiving. God can never be mocked. Why did Akwa Okuko go to church and do Thanksgiving to mock people, to make people believe you know God? And when you want to open a hotel, they use a bishop to open a hotel. But you're going to back and promoting your equence, the God that are wise. That's why the Bible says, the glory will not give to another, neither my praise to grave image. Chineke usuri nke ndị agha sevụrụ Akwa in 2023. I pray for Akwa, and I believe if Akwa came out that time, I would have repented and become and face his hotel business or normal did. We see him okay. Because I'm not here to write or to speak against Akwa Okuko. I have delivered more than 10,000 people from Okide. I don't want to block you. Because blocking you is to make you improper. So let me give you, but small time I will block you because I don't entertain occultic and the fake SY. All your plan as SY, I'll have it in my hand. I have destroyed every spiritual work I have done for my government. So you are powerless. You know, but today, I have more than 1,000 SY that join. They join, they thinking they can seduce me. They think if they join the partner, that's why. You see that you're hiding. I never hide. I follow the instruction of God. I'm not a pastor. I'm not looking for members. My members are all over the whole world. I am the only prophet who have done program that cost me on free. No offering, no tithe, no listing. I done it in Anambra State, I did it in Enugu State, I did it in Lagos State. No pastor can try that. Because we came to 7 Igbo. But this year, 2025, I told you people, God told you, you know, this program I designed is last year. Agone Chamber program was not this year. It was last year designed. Agone Chamber program was designed last year to help Igbo. So for those who they think say, I just see Agone Chamber, answer Agone Chamber. Agone Chamber was a program designed to change problems in Igbo land. It's called Agone Chamber, Agone Chibo. Okay? Now, when we design this program, how will you know a prophet that God speaks to? When we are designing this Agone Chamber program, Soludo have never talked about anything concerning the doctor. Even when I went to Anambra, because the program was on the 4th and the 5th, I celebrated my 20 years. I was shotgun, 2005. This is the 20 years. I celebrated it 4th and 5th. It's supposed to be things of, you know, I have some million. I said, let me cook food and invite people to my place. But December 2020, people died in Okija. A lot of people died. Many people, just a lot of kidnappers, everything. I said, I can't, no need of doing this celebration. Let me visit hospitals and the prisoners, which I visited some hospital. I visited Legina Hospital in Neoka. I paid almost a million with my partners. We paid people that is sick people that is Legina. If you watch my video, you see it here. Then I visited another hospital again in Kanayo and Onisha. Then we did a program on the 26th and the 29th January. After that, I came back. So, what am I supposed to be doing in Onisha? I already come there for program. I'm coming again. When I have program, I'll come. I'm planning my program end of the month. I'll be there. So leave talk. Okay? Madam, are you looking for husband? Do you marry any wife for me? You say, why do you leave your wife? Did you marry anyone for me? Or do you have a wife for me? If you have a wife for me, I'm interested. But let him be a virgin. Okay? So, you're looking for where to talk. Go here, go here, go here. Listening to me. I can't see. Do you think you can manipulate me? Look at this one. You know, you people thought you can manipulate me. Somebody that who have traveled the whole nation. You want to come out, you that have never crossed an international airport. We are doing this work of God because we are called to do it, not because of the gain or something. Do you know how many million? Do you know what we have lost? Before we come and say, before I pray for you, join partner. Do I look hungry? Do I look like hungry prophet? Do I look like I'm looking for money? The reason why we say we should join partner because of people like you. You come and be calling my phone, making my phone busy. People will feel no. We want to know those who want to be serious and those who want to repent. You're in Lagos, I have a program. Go to Anambra State. You want to see me in Lagos, you have to be a partner. That is the rules. Because I'm done with Lagos. I only came to help my people. +234 903 222 6076. I remain Anambra the Relational Prophet. Akwa Okuko and Eke has been arrested. Who next? Now, this is a prophecy coming to pass. I told you people that give me 2 years, I will destroy all those Okid. In fact, I have destroyed Okid if you have been following me. People say, oh, you're not the one. Who are you the one? If you're the one, come out and prove it. Reason why you don't understand spiritual thing, like somebody now can kill you spiritual, somebody will come and kill you physical. I have fought all those battles from 2022 till 2025. I say, if you watch, I wrote I made a video that said the battle is over. Before they even arrest Akwa Okuko, and I don't even know that they have see that everything has finished. You can see, you see the video at the team I designed. I said the battle is over. Before that, I went to mountain. The mountain I went to pray for my partners in America. Then I now saw that video. I said, nobody can, governor can't write all those things. I speak, it come to pass. I say, any debate around, governor arrest him and put it inside jail. Because 88%, in fact, 90% of the kidnappers, criminals, they caught, all of them have a ban and water home. Who is doing it? They need to provide those deputy doctors that are doing it. The people that killed Honorable in Anambra State, is it not deputy doctors that are doing jury for them? They said the deputy doctor living in Nazareth. I'm now sending this message to pastors and the prophets and the prophetess and reverend fathers. Don't think this movement will stop with native doctor like I normally told you. If you know you're part of people that using native doctor to do church, either you close your church or you run for your life. Because if they call native doctor will be able to prove that no, your own will be worse too. And any native doctor that now work past Ogu, that native doctor need to be in life prison because it can be destroying Igbo land in the name of Nemo. That is why I fought with Million when he said he's doing juju for pastor. You're doing this. You're doing juju for pastor to come and destroy your menana. Are you not mad? In our world pastor Ogu, and you say God is set up, God is useless, and you're giving pastor power to defeat your people. I say, are you not mad? So any native doctor that say that he's doing pastor, now what pastor will need to be arrested, like people like Eke, like a million widow. Any pastor that talks say he do pastor, he do juju and give pastor, we supposed to arrest him, let him come and give us the church. Akwa Okuko say he is doing juju for many pastors. Call the name of those pastors. They need to go and close their churches. Eke hit went to church. If that church Eke hit you went to, Eke hit, go and read the name of the churches that you ndị wọrọ ọgwụ. Governor Soludo Agunecheba go and close those churches. They are part of the evil in Igbo because those are the pastors that are using human being to do crowd puller. Because to do church and get crowd is not easy. Either you belong to Mame Water or you do crowd puller or you bury human being inside the church to draw crowd. You know this. That's why we rejected all those things. When we say we reject billion from occultic kingdom, I am not a fluke. I'm telling you what it is. 2018, God told me, He warned me about fake prophet. That is where I born things of Jeremiah Buchiri. Rosary, many things I born in 2018. Why do you think I born it? Because these are the marine kingdom worship. And they see them, you say, oh, these are men of God. They are not, they are all men of Satans. Before I talk about native doctor, I've been fighting pastors. So you don't say, this one, I fought with Igbo, I fought with Jeremiah, I fought with many prophets like that, you know. So don't come here and act like you don't know where I stand. No, because it's native doctor now you should talk. When I've been fighting with all those people, Jeremiah, them, all those one, TV doctor, burning their things on the internet, are you not happy? I warned you. Even TV doctor before he died, I told him, if you don't repent, God will kill you. Why I'm making video? But I was dancing. He refused to hear the voice of God. Eke Hit is there. Any pastor, I challenge the pastor. I'm in Anambra State. I challenge Eke Hit. Eke Hit to come and do miracle. Eke Hit will not come. And you're here making mad every day. I told you Eke Hit my powers. My word is power. I don't just speak. It's not all about you're a prophet. A prophet is not a pastor. We can stay months without touching woman. We can stay months, years without sleeping with woman. That won't make you a prophet. You're a secret one. Anytime you're being slept with woman, you're being defied. Know that. Okay, this kind of prayer I want to do for 8 days, when I finish it. I finish it, I'll go and jump on top of woman. That's why many pastors die. You sleep, you cannot wake up. Because they will be coming with attack. So, we know these things and we're trying to serve our people. I'm not coming to say, I am the only prophet. Like some people say, oh, you're always talking. No. My duty is to expose evil. My duty is to serve in the Igbo. My duty is to make sure Anambra State, Imo State, Abia State, Ebonyi State, Enugu State have peace. But I said charity begins at home. People like Ebukobi should go and meet Hope Uzodinma to talk about the killing in Abia State. People like Odumeje should go to that state, the same one doing with my governor, to make sure the evil people that have died in Imo State, in Orodo, there are more than even people that died in Anambra State. But none of them are talking. All the bloggers are busy talking about Anambra State. They were afraid to talk about their own government. People that millions of people died in Enugu. Most of you people are afraid to talk about your government. But you'll be there to talk about my government. Please, we don't need you to put mouth in this thing. Let my governor do whatever thing you do to make sure the evil stop in Anambra State. Like I told you people, you raise the wine. Nobody says you should not practice the wine. Take it to your village. If you're from Enugu State, carry it and go to Enugu State. If you not find any Anambra person there for Enugu State, they do native doctor, tell him to go back to Anambra State. If you find any Anambra person that in Enugu, in Imo State, do native doctor, tell him to carry it and go to, that is Omenana. What's Omenana? Take it to your village. But as he says, you know, Omenana, you're opening branches up and down. Very soon, you carry it to your village. Because Omenana is your village, your ancestral culture. Take it there and practice it there. I'm going to issue the governor of the Dundas. Issue was on an Igbo. I've been in Lagos, share us in the are you not crazy? You come to Lagos, you gather some people, they give you a bond. Why can't you go to your village and take your chieftaincy title? You know you cannot pay the money. You go to your church, they give you a bond. Which that is a title. Anybody can answer. Me, I'm Akajo Fortune. It's a title. Anybody can answer anything you want to answer. That doesn't mean you're Zibond. We have seen people that answer Zibond that want killing Igbo. No matter how powerful you think you are, no matter how cunning you think you have, no matter how marine kingdom crafty you think you are, says the one. If you see me run, if you're not so, could you say I can help? I am the spiritual warlord. I fought war in first and second heaven, overcome. I fought war in deadly culture, overcome. I fought war in marine kingdoms, overcome. I'm here to tell you this. You dare not try. Dare me, I'll send you to hellfire. This year, I will Soludo Solomon. Soludo is my governor. I cannot watch any other one to go and be doing spiritual war. Whether you're from Anambra State or you're from anywhere, if you try it, I'll break your hands. That woman that made that video, let him just be a warning for you. But for that one you have done, nothing will happen to you. But don't do such spiritual work again because you're a kid in the spiritual work. Pastor, if you have never registered your church, go and register it. Because the way they are saying now, and they're not the part that support every day you're doing church. Somebody go and stay inside and do 100 days. That's why most of my prayers I do. You're going to church. The pastor say no, they collect money. Every day you go to church, you do offering. You go, you so tight, you so seed. Every day you're going to church, you will pour. That's why many people I pray for, I just take you, pay something, do this one, we'll do your prayer online. Accept your own time, accept your own time. Before I do that prayer, I'll do this month about Soludo. I've done like about 3 spiritual work, but I didn't put it online. If I on my phone now, you will be seeing calls. The phone is off. It's on silent. Who is next? Soludo don't say you should not do your practice your religion. Soludo say you should not do your as the wine. Soludo cannot ask you to stop doing on it. He said, come and register what you're doing. Like me now, we are registered. You can't be doing something without like so what you're doing with people. People come to your praise, they go, they kidnap them. You need to be registered. You need to let us know what you're doing. So people come to your praise, they are going. If anything happens to them, they can call you, they can call you, they can call you to query you. Or this one, you don't have address. You don't register your native doctor. You just go somewhere and rent. If you people do somebody or kidnap somebody, you just relocate and go to another place. Go and buy, if it's church you're doing, you will register with almost how many people? 3 people. You will have different things. They will check everything about you. The person, even if you're alone, they have someone to catch. Now you're doing native doctor. You travel from Anambra State. From Anambra State, you go to Enugu State. You go and rent a house of 200,000. You now stay there and destroy everything that happened in Enugu State. And run back to Anambra State. We don't want such thing. Carry that your useless native doctor to your village. If you're in Anambra State, go there, go to your village and practice it. When governor comes for you, he cannot prove it. Governor will arrest you like Eke hit. How can you be doing nonsense? He say they go carry. You see how they confess now. That's why I told you, people those native doctors, they're not like good native doctor, not like good as the wine. Most of them they are witchcraft and wizard. Now, Eke hit say they will come and carry sand. Eba na azụ ahịa. Ekporo aja ndị ọzọ were egwu ọrụ ọgwụ. Agwọchara ọgwụ na ahịa ga na-aga ahịa ndị ọzọ. This is what I've been telling you about Okita. Okita is to draw people destiny. Many people that do Okita, either their family will die, their girlfriend will die, or somebody will die. This is the somebody destiny they will use. I told you I have videos. That's why anything witchcraft, I hate it so much. My name witchcraft, all night all this concord, I hate it so much because I have not heard your occultic. The strongest woman in Calabar is 100 and something years. They have killed over 3,000 people. Now we destroy the woman. The strongest witchcraft at Lagos, Yoruba woman, the woman is 100 and something years. Now we destroy the woman. The strongest witchcraft in Ibuku, my place, strongest witchcraft. There are many. They want to attack me when I came back 2000 and 2016. Me and they fought at the story. In Oka, where I am, Abakaliki Street, there's some people that are doing drugs there. Where I was in Abakaliki, go ask them. All they used to, all those people used to do a shower, all those people that, you know how I shower people, they fought me. I destroyed all of them. Go and ask the people there, the Yahweh. You will see my banner, you will see my mountain. Just opposite Heshoto in Oka. Go there and ask people, who is this prophet? They will tell you. Where I was in Oka, they gave to me Ebe idol, is marine idol place. I never know they collected money from me, thinking I'm going to die. When I come and I find out that witches and wizards are doing meeting in that place, because they have where they dig. That place is marine kingdom. Then in the tree, I have to cut. God say cut the tree. I cut the mango. You know I cut the mango, they begin to cry. Why do you have to cut the mango? This is why they do meeting. He said you shouldn't say what you don't know. You don't know nothing about me. Whatever I say, you can go and verify where I came out from. Marine kingdom, we see, killed a lot of people. So if you're thinking you're the only one that know this thing, we know it more than you. More than 10 people died in our family, no solution. You that want to go and be worshiping Water and Mary. Mary and Water, they are the same. It's called Queen of Heaven. Jeremiah 7:16. Read it. You read about it. Or you go to Revelation 17 and 18. It's about Queen of Heaven. That is Water. You worship. It's not Igbo tradition. Water and the arrow says it's not Igbo tradition. So if you say you're worshiping Chuku, you're doing tradition. Tradition got nothing to do with Water worship. That is a fallen angel. I don't know worshiping Water in Lagos. I don't know worshiping Water in India. I don't know worshiping Water in other place. So what to make it all different? It's the same thing. The only thing that he giving different name is fallen angels. They are not God. They are small gods. That is why they bear different name. But to have one Igbo, have one God, one true God, is called Chuku. That Chuku is the same thing as Orua in Yoruba land. It's the same thing as Allah in Hausa. It's the same thing as Yahweh in the Hebrew language in Israel. That is one true God. The God of the Bible. It means God of Abraham. So you can't be doing all sort of nonsense you're doing, worshiping snake, worshiping dead spirits. Praying to idol is praying to somebody that died. Many idol was buried. There's some idol that came. Like if you go to Israel is a fallen angel. He came as a man and turned to water. You don't know the history. Okay, let me give you the history. Now, I started going to Israel water 1988. I was small with my brother. We might go to water to do prayer, Sabbath. That is a portion. If you see me in the water, no. Sabbath is, because it's in the Bible. The Bible says, those who have spirits, evil spirits, go to water. So the spirit will do what? We follow the water to go. It's part of deliverance. That's why Jesus Christ could not perform miracle until he get to water. So nobody says you should not go to water. But they don't go to water and start polluting it. As an example, you can go to water and do your prayer. But don't go there and start throwing things inside the water. You throw something inside water does not make the prayer answer. Jesus Christ went to water. Reverend Father, use water. I go to water. So don't say, if Soludo says you should not go to water in Anambra State, it's simple. Wasting very well. Let me now tell you what we do. I says the word. If you love, instead for you to go and be doing this kind of spiritual work that will kill you. Soludo is a governor. Only this video you do can get you arrested, but I don't want to do that. Let me advise you. They say make you no do have Anambra State. Nobody say make you no do your Ezewine. Go to Oju River and do it. Go to Asaba and do it. And come back. How much will you spend? 1,000. You don't reach Asaba. Go and do it there and come back. If you believe in what they do for now. Anambra say you don't want to see those things because of too many wayo 419 killing and kidnappers. They want all those things to stop. Well, because When you people are not doing all those sacrifices, nobody's dying, nobody's been kidnapping, things are not happening. 2020, people are not doing all those nonsense. And the materials, they are not there. Everything was, Igbo was peaceful. Anambra was one of the peaceful states in Nigeria before. What bring all those things? Okay, it everywhere. And this why all the native doctor, all everybody now turn to native doctor, Akajof everywhere. Who is free who? So when the governor have come, they have, I know, they did a work. They did a work. So the governor will not even understand what is happening. But I came back 2025, I destroyed everything. They did it in the water. I went to the same water on the 8th. After I do that prayer, you know, reach 3 days before Soludo begin to talk about security. I am the spiritual warlord. Charity begins at home. This is to prove that God sent me to Anambra State. This is the program. It's called Agone Chamber. Is it not Agone Chamber they are using now? This program was designed last year. We did this program the 4th January and the 26th and 25. Before we do those things, I do those programs. Children have never talked about Agone Chamber program. This is a program. God said, this is the power of Lion of Judah, Revelation 5:5. The Agone Chamber, Agone Chibo. If you watch my videos, you'll be seeing me and dancing. I'm talking about the program last year till this year. Before all these things that happen. To prove to you, I am the mouthpiece of God. I am Akwa Okuko, one of Igbo land. So anything you know you will do to assist, you can see what is happening now. Have you had a kidnap anybody since 2 weeks now? No. Have you heard that Nana Nonyenka? No. Have you done a no. Now, I need to discover before. Don't you like the way you go to Anambra State and work peacefully? Or won't you want the same thing to happen in Imo State? Won't you want the same thing to happen in Abia State? Don't you want the same thing to happen in Enugu State, Ebonyi State? We all want Igbo land. So when you have December rule, you don't want to Nabata without fear. Many people have their car, they will not drive in, they go to transport, they're going to be using Okada. Why they have Jeep in Lagos? Please, I want you to share this telecast. +234 903 222 6076. Any native doctor that run is evil native doctor. Why will you learn? Why will you learn? You believe the God call you. If God call you, prove yourself. You must have one sign. God say this is the sign that will follow them. If you're a pastor, you don't have sign, you don't see vision, you don't do miracle, you don't have word of knowledge. What do you now have? People come to your church, finish, they talk story, finish, they go back, no solution, they will go and start going to idle places. You don't know that is why people are going to idle places. People come and say, so this is so see, they collect all their money, finish. Collect everything they have, collect side, collect seed. They cannot solve their problem. They will go there and why? When that's why solve that problem, that's why they say Jesus is fake. Because you don't have the solution. If you have the solution, they won't be calling Jesus fake. Nobody that follow me or join my partner that doesn't see difference. So these are the things. So if you're a pastor, go and work on yourself. It take me many years to come out. I prepared myself. That's why when Akwa Okuko came out and challenged, I know the covenant I have with God. God is saying no power can fight you and stand. That's why I come here to boast. Nobody can stand me. And I said, if any pastor, any native doctor, any occultic woman, defeat me, I will destroy the altar. Because this is what God said. Go and build in Anambra State. We are building Zion City of the Yahweh Synagogue, the New Jerusalem, the city of the living God, where the whole world will come and worship the Elohim, one true God, Yahweh, the Lion of tribe of Judah. Revelation 5:5. I was sent from Isaiah 61. I said, go into all the whole world and heal the sick and preach and liberate people. So you don't expect me to. So if I want to do program now, sure, we have where we're gathering now. We're in People's Club. Lagos we have in Abrado. That was last year. Before we now move. So his movement, this is the gospel of truth, end time prophetic movement. We are not here to please anyone. We are here to do the will of God. Okay? Like I said, this month, we are waiting upon the Lord. We need land in Anambra State. We want to build free hospital. We want to build free school. We want to have build free mountain. Where people will come and be liberated from kingdom of darkness. Anyị nọ n'agha, Anyị na-ekwensu nọ n'agha. Anyị nọ n'agha. Anyị na amoosu nọ n'agha. Ndị na-amaghị okwu Chineke. Ha sị na mmụọ nsọ adịghị ike. Ndị na-amaghị okwu Chineke. Ha sị na ekwensu emeri ego. Anyị nọ n'agha. Anyị na-ekwensu nọ n'agha. Ewo, anyị nọ n'agha. Anyị na amoosu. Please help me share the telecast. To Samuel. Ndị na-amaghị. To Samuel, they reported my page. No, all this is why. They are paying bloggers to report my page. And please, if you're watching, follow my page. This is my new page. So people will not hear the truth. I can't even share my video. See, now I'm trying to. I can't even share. Help me to share, please. Anyị nọ n'agha. Anyị na-ekwensu nọ n'agha. Anyị nọ n'agha. Anyị na amoosu nọ n'agha. Ndị na-amaghị okwu Chineke. Ha sị na mmụọ nsọ adịghị ike. Ndị na-amaghị okwu Chineke. Ha sị na ekwensu emeri ego. Anyị nọ n'agha. Anyị na-ekwensu nọ n'agha. Anyị nọ n'agha. Anyị na amoosu nọ n'agha. Ndị na-amaghị okwu Chineke. Ha sị na ekwensu emeri ego. Ndị na-amaghị okwu Chineke. Ha sị na mmụọ nsọ adịghị ike. Let me tell you, do not be deceived. No power can stand the power of Chukwu, the Elohim, Yahweh, the God of Bible. The problem you have, most of you are worshiping Queen of Heaven. Somebody worship, thinking you're worshiping God. God have give us covenant. He said, Exodus 20, remember the Sabbath day and keep it holy. 99 pastor does not keep covenant of God. And how will you want to have the power of God if you don't obey God? Now, Soludo give an order. Come on, Soludo is a governor. Give an order. I don't want to see those things now. If you do it, I'll arrest you. Then what about the Almighty God who gives you a day, a covenant, and he say it does not matter? That's why you fell. You never followed the will of God. Jesus Christ said, I am the Lord of Sabbath. If you love me, keep my Father's commandment. I read Bible 7 times from beginning to end. So I know what the Bible is. The spiritual work I do is part of it. Elijah did the spiritual work. When Elijah came and began to pour water on the stick and call fire, that is spiritual work. Before Charlotte carried Elijah, he entered water and divided the water into two and crossed to the other side. And told his disciple, say, if you see me going up, then you have my double portion. Why everything happened in the water? Why no fit transfer the power for him? That is spiritual work. The guy have traveled and do what? And traffic gone to another power. Many people think there's no power. He will use me to know there's a power. If you think there's no power in God, use me and know there's power. But many of you think, see, I know they wear ring. I know belong anywhere. I know they worship idol. I know they worship my water. I worship one true God, Yahweh. That's why my name is Prophet David Yahweh Chukwu. Chukwu is the name of Igbo God. Yahweh is God of Abraham, a God of Israel. That's the name. In Yoruba, it's called Ruwa. Now I call Allah. So these are the two. So let me stop here. God bless everybody. I want to pray for you that Almighty Elohim will protect you and also protect my governor and protect you all. Whatever you lay your hand. No occultic man will take your glory. Like you can see what Eke is saying. In your business, make sure you pray. The Bible says pray without ceasing. That's why in the night I don't sleep. Night is mostly when I do my prayers. So I sleep in the morning. That is the relation. This I've done it for many years. I've become part of me. Like Eke now, they will be out. Akwa Okuko, they will be out. As long as they are not guilty of killing human being, of doing kidnapping, or doing evil, they will be out. So nothing to worry about. After investigating them, they will be out. I spent 21 days in detention for speaking the truth. So not be today. We are in the front war. He thought that before I come out both and start talking. I spent the 21 days. I spent 7 days in one station. They transfer it to Banti. I spent 14 days in Banti for what I did not know about. But what saves me because of what? I have evidence. I can speak the truth. Because no matter how enemy want to do, stand on the truth. As long as you're speaking the truth, you can be arrested anytime. You can see a woman that come and say, "You're looking for me." What did I do to her? I don't even know her. Because I'm speaking against their evil. They say they will kill my governor. They are doing spiritual work. They ask you not to do sacrifice in the water. Go to Asaba and do it. Go to Oju River, go to Imo State and do it. Let the transport and go there and do it. Come to Lagos, there's water. Come and do it there and go back. For now, what is there? Common sense is not common. Why are you fighting? If you go and be making video, when they arrest you now, you say governor is wicked. Look at what you're doing video. Matching a governor of a state. Your governor, you're supposed to pray for God to protect him. You're praying for him to fall. Match him leg on his light a paper and begin to march on top of him. God, if you have not watched that video, go and watch it yesterday. Go and watch it. I can no need of posting it. But it's on my program last night. You hear the voices. You want your governor to sick, you want your governor to die, you want your governor to do this thing. Then who will now rule the state? Your duty as a Zema is to make sure you protect your governor. Your duty is a leader is to make sure your governor have the wisdom of God to do the right thing. Because this is the prayer I made for him. That I prayed that prayer, I say, governor of Anambra, say, leave him. Let him do the right thing. The Anambra must be good. This is Agone Chamber and Agone Chibo program. That is what the liberation started. Shall I tell you this affair? I cannot come and claim me. I hear people in America. I hear people in Canada. I came to set my village, my Anambra state to become number one, the light of the nation. Example. Haven't you believed there's a power? If he said there's no power, go to your village and do the same thing. Go to your village and do the same thing. Tell your governor to do the same thing. That's what you should do. People like Governor Zogu, people like Ebikobi, people like Odumeje. Go and advise people are dying in Imo State like chicken. Go and advise your governor to do the same thing that we are doing in Anambra State. That the Yawe Kadibe is doing. If you think it's easy, don't come and make mouth. You have how many power? How they making mouth? We don't make mouth. We came with power. 1.16 million engine. Bam! Step in Anambra State and change the whole story. Within 7 days, I'll come out everywhere. That's how to know a man that carry power. We don't make mouth. We don't make mouth. We don't do competition. We came for assignment, and the assignment is to make sure an Igbo do okay. Almighty God do the right thing. Me and you know that Mazen Narikari speak the truth. Was he in the prison? Was he in detention? Yes. Because of the people who does not want the truth. I spent 21 days in detention because of what? People who does not want the truth. People are exposed to occultic people. Do you think if Akwa say if I send you spiritual arrow, if it doesn't work, I send you I come physical, you shoot, you know they call police. Do you know they try to use police for me? Akwa Okuko And Eke and Governor, those people, it didn't work. They send arrow, you know what they try to use assassin? No. That's why this guy say I never hide. I am a spiritual warlord. How many times did you see Elijah the water? I came for a mission. Scatter. Do you come out every day and see Agone Chamber them? Do you see them? But when they come for you, you can see the way they go take a hit now. You see them. But if you're going on the street, you may not even know them. That's why you should be. Prophets are major. I am a major prophet. A solution to mankind. We are not everywhere. We came out for a purpose. And when we came out to accomplish our work, Anambra State, I have been able to accomplish my mission by destroying the Okite and this wine and evil. 2025 is the year of Agone Chamber, Agone Chibo. Omwa, Prophet David Biawe, who came back on the 4th of January 2025 with power to restore peace in Igbo land. They pray the show. Haven't you confirmed there's a power, no powder, power, no package. We came to 7 Igbo from the evil native doctors and evil desma. God bless you. I love you all. Shalom.